Hey YouTube, just want to quick do an unboxing video here. Firefly, Razer Firefly. It's a mouse pad. Product's been out for quite some time, but it's actually a lot cheaper than it used to be. So I definitely recommend picking one of these up if you want to make your computer look a little more colorful. Right now, as of this posting of this video, it's about $37 before tax and or shipping. So let's just get in here real quick and see what we got. Multi-tool. Use this thing for everything. All right. Tape right back here. There we go. Put that here. Little tabs come out here. Oh, yeah, nice presentation. So, congratulations. There's no turning back. That's encouraging. All right. It's pretty solid. It's got a nice little rubber bottom, keep it from slipping, and a braided cable, which is very durable. Connects via USB. Let's see what else we got in this. And some stickers. Okay. Oh, sweet. Side strips. So, okay, good. Huh, well, doesn't look like it has like a, I thought maybe it came with some software or something like a CD that you install. Doesn't look like it, so that's, looks like it's going to be easier installation in your computer setup. Alright, this is how you set up your Razer Firefly. Go to razerzone.com/synapse. And just do a simple download. It takes less than 60 seconds. And then you install it, and you'll get this cool little app here. And you'll have to create an account. And then you got different effects, like a static effect, which just makes it one solid color. Breathing, which is like a pulsing option. And then you can create different profiles for different settings. It's pretty cool. But yeah, the setup's real simple. Doesn't take very long. Just go to www.razerzone.com/synapse. And this is what it looks like when it's all set up. It has a nice blue glow to it, or whatever other color. I have a black and blue theme for my computer, so it's blue, but you can do whatever color you want. It pulses, and it just also has a wave option, which is pretty cool. But yep, that's what it looks like. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit that like button if you would. Thanks for watching.